Okay. By using the gills, they will respire. Respiration, you can say, with the gills in the fishes. Not only fishes, most aquatic animals. So that is our first distinct character. And second one is, these fishes contain two-chambered heart. Fishes contain two-chambered heart. Okay. So out of these two chambers, one is atria, second chamber is the ventricle. So two chambers are present in the fishes. Atria and ventricle. Two-chambered heart is present in the fishes. And respiration is by means of gills. And next distinct character is, these fishes are the cold-bladed vertebrates. I will write in the whiteboard, it's better. See here. First character is cold-bladed animals. Fishes are the cold-bladed animals. And second distinct character is, the respiration is by gills. What are the respiratory organs in the fishes? Gills. Gills are the respiratory organs. Next, in these fishes, a paired appendages, they are modified into fins. So appendages are modified into fins. Because of these fins only, they will swim easily in the water. And next, a pair of nostrils are present in the fishes. A pair of nostrils. So I will show you one image of fish, then you will get one better idea. See here. So all these are the fishes. If you see in this fish, I will wait a minute. Yeah, I go for this screenshot once again. I will explain what are the fins, all those things. Yeah, if you see the upper portion, these are called as pins. These are pins. These are pins. All these are the pins. So the appendages are modified into fins. And gills, where do you find the gills in the fishes? Generally, in this region, you will find out the gills. The water will enter slowly through the mouth, and that will go outside along with these nostrils, and they will cover, water will cover over the gills. So whatever the oxygen is present in the water, that will be absorbed into the blood capillaries of what? Gills. Okay. Next. And one more important character of these fishes is, they contain the scales over the skin surface. Scaled skin surface is present in the fishes, as well as some more other vertebrates like snakes. So if you see the dermal skin of the fishes, it will present. For example, this is the skin. So over this skin, scales are present. So scaled dermal skin is present in the fishes. That is a one more distinct character. Is it clear? And next one, cranium. What is the meaning of cranium? It is a box-like structure. This cranium is a box-like structure which will contain which will protect the brain of any animal. Brain is present inside this cranium box-like structure. This cranium will give protection to the brain. Is it clear? Cranium will give protection to the brain. So all the vertebrates contain this cranium. And what are the distinct character of these fishes? This cranium completely surrounds this brain. That is a distinct feature. Completely surround the brain. Okay. Cranium in the fishes, that will completely cover the brain. It will completely surround the brain. That is a distinct character. Okay. Next one. Next distinct character you can see in this fishes is, In the early stages of the fish, you may find notochord. In the early life stages of these fishes, you find the notochord. So later onwards, this notochord replaced by the vertebral column. Vertebral column. So that's why fishes also comes under the vertebrates because of this vertebral column. So due to the presence of vertebral column, fishes called as vertebrates. So in the early stages, you may find this notochord. This notochord later onwards. Is it clear? Any doubt? Next distinct feature is, next important character in the fishes is alimentary canal. So alimentary canal, I think all of you know the alimentary canal. In our body, alimentary canal start with the mouth and end with the anus. So in between these two parts, mouth and the anus, you have so many different parts like pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenal region, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, all these things. So all these are the digestive parts. In these fishes, this alimentary canal is more specialized. More specialized means different parts are present in the digestive system or in the alimentary canal. So like other vertebrates in the fish, in these, that's why alimentary canal of these fishes is specialized alimentary canal. Okay. In these fishes, one more important character is 3 semicircular canals are present. 3 semicircular canals. Once again, I will recapitulate whatever I told you just now. First character is the fishes cold-bladed animals. That is the first character. Cold-bladed vertebrates. Second character is the respiration. Respiration in the fishes is by means of gills. Through the gills, they will respire. They will take the oxygen, whatever present in the. Third one, a pair of appendages. Appendages are modified into fins. Those fins are useful for the swimming. So that is the third character. Next one, the notochord in the early stages of the fishes, whatever it is present in the early stages, that will be replaced later onwards by the vertebral column. That's why fishes comes under the vertebrates. And next one, the heart, if you observe the heart of the fish, it contains 2 chambers only, not like the human beings which contain the 4 chambers. In the humans, you will observe 4-chambered heart, 2 arteries and 2 auricles and the 2 ventricles. Whereas in the fishes, only 2 chambers you can find. One is auricle, second one is ventricle. Okay. Next, one more important characteristics you can see in these fishes is single circulation. You can observe in these fishes. Single circulation. So in the circulation, there is a types are there, single circulation and the double circulation. Whereas in the human beings, if you observe in the human beings, double circulation, one pulmonary will be there, one respiratory cycle is there, 2 types cycles are there. That means 2 times the blood enter into the heart. That is a double circulation. Next one. So whereas in the fishes, you can find only single circulation. The water will enter into the mouth of the fish, and from the mouth it will enter slowly into, it will go up to the gills. So whereas in the gills, the oxygen, whatever present in the water, that will be absorbed by the gills into the blood capillaries, and then water again sent back outside. So only once the blood will enter into this. That's why it is called single type of circulation you can find. Okay. Any doubt up to this? Any doubt? And next important one is.
Hello, sir. Once
tell
again.
me. Okay. Tell me.
Once
Do you have
again,
any
sir.
doubt? Once again, can I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the important? Yeah, see here. In my voice, I will tell you. I will repeat once again. Here we are discussing different characters, whatever present in the fishes. Okay, the characters what are present in the fishes we are discussing. First one is they are aquatic animals. Where do you find these fishes? In the water, right? They are aquatic animals. Second one is they are cold-blooded vertebrates. Cold-blooded. Cold-blooded means what? They will not adjust their body temperature according to their surroundings. Those are called cold-blooded. Cold-blooded vertebrates are the fishes. Third one is their heart contain two chambers only. Two chambers only present in the heart of the fish. One auricle, one ventricle. That's all. There is no four chambers like human beings. Next one, a pair of appendages. Appendages means what? We have hands and the legs. Those are called appendages, right? So like that appendages in the fishes, they are modified fins. They are modified as fins. So these fins are useful for the swimming. Why they are present? They are aquatic animals, right? Fishes are the aquatic animals. Completely surrounding the brain. That is also one character. Cranium will completely surround the brain. Next one, alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is nothing but one part of the digestive system. Digestive system start with the mouth and end with the anus in the humans. Like that, in the fishes also, you will find a different parts. All those glands are also present in the fishes. That is a one more important character. And next, so in these fishes, dorsal and ventral nerves, dorsal and ventral and ventral spinal nerves mixed together. Once again, I will repeat: the dorsal and the ventral and dorsal spinal nerves joined together form mixed nerves. Dorsal spinal nerves, ventral spinal nerves together mixed and forms mixed nerves. That is a one more specialized character. And next one, in this always mesonephric kidney is present in the fishes. Mesonephric kidney. In the adults, it is functional. Mesonephric kidney means what? Meso means middle. Meso means what? Middle. The kidney is present in the middle, or nephrons are present in the middle. That's why it is mesonephric. So that's why mesonephric kidney you can find in the fishes. And so in our body, in the human beings, 12 pairs of cranial nerves are present in the humans. 12 pairs. In the fishes, only 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present. Pairs of cranial nerves are present, whereas in the fishes, only 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present. So next important one is In our brain, pituitary gland also present. Like that, in the fish brain also. In the fish brain also, you will find one pineal body, a
Voice cut
pituitary
aithundi sir.
body. Okay. Is it clear now? Is it clear
No sir.
now? Maybe there is a network issue there, I think.
No sir.
Is it clear now?
Okay sir.
Okay, right. Once again, I will repeat the last point. Pituitary gland is present in the brain, in the humans also. But like that, in the fishes also, you will find the pituitary gland. Same, it is present in the brain in the fishes also. Fish and in the humans also, it is present in the brain. It is a peanut-like structure, smaller structure, peanut-like structure you will find. There is a pituitary gland, which is attached to the brain in the fishes. Next one, very important, sexes are separate. What is the meaning of sexes are separate? That means female fish is different, male fish is different. Both male and female sexes are not present in the same fish. Sex organs are different in the male and female. So that's why sexes are separate in the fishes. Female fish is present different and male fish is different. One. Fertilization. What is the meaning of fertilization here? Fertilization means mixing of sperm with the ovum. That is called fertilization. Mixing of sperm with the ovum is called fertilization. So in the fishes, at which place in the fishes, the fertilization will take place outside of the fish body, where in the water. Fertilization occurs in the water. That means outside of the fish body. Fertilization is external in the fishes. Fertilization is external in the fishes. That means sperms and the ovum will unite outside of the body. Okay, that is called external fertilization. For the external fertilization, example is fishes. So whereas in the human beings, the fertilization will take place inside of the body, inside of the female body, in the fallopian tubes. That's why it is called as internal fertilization. So in the human beings, internal fertilization will take place, whereas in the fishes, external fertilization will take place. Next important character is, in the fishes, there are no embryonic membranes. I will write on the whiteboard some of the points, then you will easily remember that. So fertilization is external, outside of the body. Next character. And next one, sexes are separate. Female fish is separate and the male fish is separate. So female reproductive organs the same animal. Example for the hermaphrodite animal. That means both the sexes are present in a single animal. Anybody? In the earthworm. In the earthworm, both male and the female product organs in the same animal. That's why it is called as hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite. If the both male and female sexes are present in the same hermaphrodite. Example is earthworm. Whereas in the fishes, there is no hermaphrodite you can find. Sexes are separate. Next important one. Here, no embryonic membranes. No embryonic membranes are present in the fishes. What are the embryonic membranes here? So during the development, embryo will surrounded by layers, different layers like amnion, chorion, allantois, yolk sac, like this. 4 types of layers surrounding the embryonic layer, embryo in the human beings. In the human beings. So whereas there are no embryonic membranes at all in the fishes. That is a distinct character. So embryonic membranes are absent in the fishes. Fertilization is external. Okay, sexes are separate. Cold-bladed vertebrates. Fishes are the cold-bladed vertebrates. 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present. 10 pairs of cranial nerves. In the human, pairs of cranial nerves are present. Okay, next one. Elementary canal is distinct. You can easily divide into different parts. And one more important character is kidney is mesonephric. Meso means middle. The nephrons are located mostly in the middle, mesonephric. And one more important one is respiration is by gills. What are the respiratory organs you can find in the gills? Gills are the respiratory organs you can find in these fishes. And one more important one is how the development will take place in the fishes. How one adult fish will arise from the egg or the developing embryo. Is there any larval stages? You can find out. So there are no larval stage you can find in this fish's development. There is no larval stages. If there is no larval stage, you can find that the development is called as direct development. I will write here one point. So if the larval stage is present, that is called as indirect development. If there is no larval stage, that is called as direct larval stage, direct development. So whereas this direct development you can see in the fishes, there is no larva you can find out. There is no larva. If any larval stage is there in the development, that is called indirect. If the larval stages are absent, that is called direct development. Example for the direct development is the fishes. So example for the indirect development is starfish. Starfish. Animals, you can find this indirect development. Okay, that is the one more important character. So these are the some general characters of the fishes. Remember all these. First one, aquatic animals. Second one, cold-blooded vertebrates. Third one, respiration is by gills. Fourth one, heart contains the 2 chambers, artery, auricle and the ventricle. And next, fifth one is mesonephric kidney is present. And the sixth is elementary canal. You can easily specialize specific elementary canal is present. 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present. 10 pairs of nerves are present. And pituitary gland is present in the brain. Pituitary gland is present in the brain like a human being. And sexes are separate. Female animal and the male animal are different. Both the sexes are not present in the single animal. So next, fertilization is external fertilization. External fertilization you can find out in the fishes. So that means what? What is the meaning of external fertilization? Female fish will release the eggs into the water, and at the same time, male animal will release the sperms into the water, and the sperm and the eggs both are united in the water itself. That's why it is called as external fertilization. And one more important characteristic is there is no embryonic membranes in the fishes. There is no embryonic membranes. And next, development is direct. There is no larval stage you can find in the fishes. That's why that is called as direct development. Okay, there is no metamorphosis. There is no larval stages in these fishes. Next one, let us go for the classification of the fishes. There are 3 main classes, major classes of fishes. There are majorly 3 types of fishes are present. 3 classes of fishes. I will write on the board. First class of fishes are called as placodermi. Placodermi. Placodermi is elasmobranchi. Elasmobranchi. Okay. Third, last one is Astichthys. 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 So 3 classes are there in the fishes. First one is Placodermi. Second one Elasmobranchi. Third one Astichthys. Placodermi, Elasmobranchi, Astichthys. So in this, wait a minute. In this Astichthys, these are Astichthys also called as bony fishes. This is the last class, whatever we discussed just now. This Astichthys also called as bony fishes. So bony fishes. What is that class? Astichthys. Okay, any doubt up to this? How many classes there in the fishes? Anybody respond? How many classes are there? Anybody respond? How many types of fishes are there? How many classes are there in the fishes? Any doubt? Any doubt? Respond. You are hiding yourself. How can I know whether you are understood or not? With your questions and with your responses only I can understand. Okay, you people got this topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we discussed 2 only. First one is general characters of fishes. General characters of fishes. Second one is types of fishes.
Types
What
of
are
fishes.
how many fishes are there? In the tomorrow class, in the next class, I will tell you what are the placodermi fishes, what are the elasmobranchi fishes, what are the astichthys. So in these classes again we have subtypes. In the placodermi, in the chondrichthyes, in the elasmobranchi, all these things we have again classes or subclasses.
Sir, మీ దగ్గర PDF ఉందా సార్?
Yeah, I will send. I have a PDF. I will send in the group.
గ్రూప్ లేదు కదా సార్?
So I will tell Kishore sir, I will send in your group. Okay.
సార్ గ్రూప్ లేదు కదా సార్, ఎలా ఇస్తారు?
Then how? If you have any WhatsApp, send me in the chat box. I will send. Okay.
Yes sir,
Any
WhatsApp
student.
there sir.
And one more important, any doubts, ask me now. I will give you clarity. Or if anybody having shyness, send me through the chat box also. I will give you clarity. Okay. Any animals, either fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds or mammals, whatever the type of animals, first we should learn the general characters of that particular phylum, particular group of animals. First we started fishes. Next we will go, after these fishes we will go for the amphibians. And in the next class we will discuss the types of the whatever the classes we discussed today. I will tell more and more sub classes in this. So any doubts, send me in the chat box. I will give a few minutes.
సార్ మీ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వండి సార్, గ్రూప్ చేస్తారా కదా సార్?
Actually, I am not the regular teacher. I am the regular lecturer for you. Sir, your sir went out with some busy work. That's why I taking your class. Okay.
Okay sir. Thank you sir.
Okay. No problem. I will give you clarity once this finish up this class, fishes and everything. Sir will give you clarity if you don't understand. Okay. Maybe mostly I given so much clarity regarding these characters. Tomorrow class I will continue with the classification of fishes. Lacodermy, elasmobranchi, and ascites. What are the different characters are there? We will discuss in the next class. Okay. Today I am closing this session. Tomorrow we will meet again with the classification of fishes. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day, all of you.
Hello.